how to create and set up Payoneer account tutorial for beginners 2025. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for Payoneer here, and you have to just click on the Payoneer official website, and after clicking on that you can see this tab from here. You just have to click on register to sign up, and after clicking on register, you just have to choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. So you can select freelancer or online professional, IT or consulting, or digital service provider, BPO or call center, e-commerce seller, affiliate marketer, other business. So let's go with e-commerce seller or B2B seller. So uh, they are asking for the monthly volume. So the monthly volume should be not more than 10,000 USD. So e-commerce seller or B2B seller. So let's get onto it. You have to click on register, and after clicking on register it will take you to the sign up menu. And here, as you can see, there are multiple options like is your business registered with any government business licensing or tax authority. So you can select yes and give the credentials here. So I'm selecting no, my business isn't registered for now. And if you select that, sole proprietorship, as you can see, there is another chart appears if you click on select the like company, legal company name, doing business as, or registered legal entity of your business. So if you click on no, you just have to give your first name, like here I am giving my name Ricky, and the second name should be Vale, and email address. So my email address is rickyvale075@gmail.com. So you have to re-enter your email address, and after re-entering your email address you have to just give your birthday here, date of birth here. So let's just click 1998 May 13 and click on next. After clicking on next, it will take you to the next option, like you have to select country from here, and you can select United States of America, and street number you can say street and number you have to give it here, and you have to provide a phone number here, and it will send you a verification code here. You have to just type the verification code and click on next, and after clicking on next it will ask for security details, and let me show you the security details. Wait on here. So Payoneer security details, it will ask for multi-factor authentication or adaptive authentication, or give you a captcha to fulfill, and after fulfilling the captcha you are almost done, and after clicking on there you can just add your debit or credit card to your Payoneer, and you can also ask for a Payoneer Visa or MasterCard, and that's it. That's how you sign up and set up for Payoneer, and see you on the next video.